Yeah, I went to Canada and back, so.
Oh, nice, that's a trip.
Yeah, I took my Harley. It's the off-road Harley.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, the Panamerica, so I've been off-road all day today. I'm just soaking wet, actually. Well, I found my Waterloo, my little round top. I found the high water mark of my abilities. I couldn't make that hill, and actually, it's a good thing I turned around when I did, because I wouldn't have had my camera. I would have completely lost my camera forever. My GoPro 8. So I got the GoPro 8. I don't feel unprideful. In fact, I know if I gave it a big go-to and just a huge run up, I could have made that hill. I think I was almost to the top. However, again, it was a good thing I did. I'm glad I found my limits. I mean, and I pushed and I found, right? So yeah, I'm good about that. I feel good. Hey Siri, get me directions to Ithaca, New York using Google Maps. Okay, I'm going to Ithaca, New York. And get as far as I can get. I just need a little break because I'm exhausted. So I need to take a little slow. Yeah, that was quite a challenge, MCC crew. I'm glad I could take you with me. I'm glad you could see I've learned a lot about myself today. I learned if I had to, I can get the motorcycle of myself on an off-camber using ingenuity and tools that I brought with me. I learned that I can go on, I won't call that double track because it was not that wide. Like most of the trail was closed off. So I'll call it single track and a half. I think that's fair. You can call me otherwise, but I mean, obviously those grades for snowmobile trails, and it was exhausting. Did great until I got to that hill and snapped the camera off. So let's relax a little and slow her down. Just enjoy the ride a little bit and make my way closer to home. Yeah, I'm exhausted, if you can't tell. Woo! That was 50 miles in 3 hours. Panamerica actually did fantastic. I gotta say, really, really fantastic. That was a rider issue. Fall was a rider issue, and not getting up the hill was a rider issue, but I'm glad I found my limits. I know what I can work on. I'd love to go to ADV classes. Today is really funny, actually. You know, now that I'm recovered a tiny bit from exhaustion, you know, those ladies are great. And if I would have seen them, I would have been lost and just probably given up and gone around. I also got to say that this is the first time I've been this drenched. My helmet is so heavy, sweat. My clothes are, I have my things open, my vents open because I'm so wet. break. My feet are just sloshing wet. Hilarious. It's cold, but I need to dry out a little bit. Alright. Cool. Look at this.
Just like this guy.
Something like that. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing well. Oh.
Next ride?
It's a pretty awesome ride.
Is it the first time you've ever...
I've been here about 7 days ago, but I didn't come down this way. I went a little bit that way, I guess.
Towards North Conway?
Yeah. It was
This whole road is beautiful.
it was beautiful. Yep. So I'm heading back home to Maryland.
Oh boy.
Yep.
We usually... We've done it every year.
Yeah.
Usually on the... Not this year, my ankle's messed up. But
I got...
we do a bike trip.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I went to Canada and back, so...
Oh, nice. That's a trip.
Yeah, I took my Harley. It's the off-road Harley.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, the Panamerica, so I've been off-road all day today. I'm just soaking wet, actually. All right, take care, guys. Thanks. All right, cool. Yep, there's a tree starting to go. Look at that. Very cool. And the backdrop of the mountains. Wow. Oh, yeah. You can see them there. Look at that. Fall. I think it's just dark.
And just coming out of the White Mountains. Wow. And leaving the mountains of New Hampshire. It's getting a lot warmer out. I'm digging it. But beautiful out. But I got a long way to go. Hours and hours. I think like 8 more hours. Yep, definitely left the mountains behind. So I did make it to New York. You can see the sun's coming down and it's getting long in the hours. A 16-hour riding day. You know, I have 3 things I'm thinking about today. You know, I did go off-road. I crashed my bike and just really was able to push through, and that really has been an awesome day. Figuring my limits and just seeing this beautiful ride. So I think I'm gonna head to the hotel, a hotel tonight, just outside Ithaca. I got some family members I'm gonna visit, and I think that's gonna do it for me. Please like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next episode.